Exploring the world of words, size and shape in English. Hello learners! Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of English language as we explore the topic of size and shape adjectives. These are some of the most commonly used adjectives to describe people, places, and things around us. So, buckle up and let's get started. Size adjectives, as the name suggests, are words that we use to describe how big or small something is. They can give us information about height, width, length, and general size. Here are some commonly used size adjectives. Small, a word used to describe something that is not big or is less than average in size. Big, large. These words describe something that is of greater than average size. Huge, gigantic. These words are used to describe something that is extremely large. Tiny, a word that describes something that is very small. Medium-sized. This phrase describes something that is neither large nor small. For example, she lives in a big city. The mouse was so tiny. Try to make your own sentences using these size adjectives. Now let's talk about shape adjectives. These are words we use to describe the form or outline of an object. Some commonly used shape adjectives are round, used to describe something that is circular or spherical. Square. This describes something with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Flat. This word is used to describe something with a smooth, level surface. Curved. This describes an object that has a shape like part of a circle. For example, he loves her round eyes. She placed the square box on the table. Try to construct your own sentences using these shape adjectives. Finally, let's put it all together. Combining size and shape adjectives can add depth and detail to your descriptions. For example, she lives in a large, square house. He was holding a tiny, round pebble. Remember, adjectives usually go before the noun they describe, as in the examples above. But they can also go after a verb like be, look, feel. For example, the house is large and square. The pebble felt tiny and round. And that's it for today's journey into the world of English adjectives. We hope this video helps you understand size and shape adjectives better and adds more color to your English descriptions. Remember, practice is key. So don't forget to create your own sentences using these adjectives. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.